Fill it up with some warm water. I'm gonna add the 2 ounces. I always add the max. How about I take the seal off it? Hey guys, how's it going? I got some new foam cannon soap I want to try out on the Thunderbird. It's the Chemical Guys Sticky Snowball Ultra Snow Foam. This is the cherry flavor. They also have blueberry, but I like the smell of this one better. Anyways, I'm gonna mix them up, spray some on the car, and let's see how super sticky it is. Okay, so I'm gonna add the 2 ounces to the water. Oh geez, that's... Anyways, let's try 1.5 ounces. Looks like lots. I usually put the maximum amount because I really want it foamy. Nice color. Alright, let's get foaming. Guys, put the camera down for a minute, and still lots of foam on it. It's very nice. Typical foam cannon stuff, gets everywhere. Lots of nice thick suds. Actually, it's pretty thick for the amount I put in. I only really put in 1 ounce. I know I said 1.5 ounces, but usually I'd put in 2 to get something that foamy. It seems to be lasting long on the hood too. Okay, let's get it wiped off. Well guys, it's all cleaned off. Sticky Snowball, I like it. You can still see there's lots of foam on the ground. Like there's piles of foam. So yeah, I like the way it also stuck to the hood. It didn't all just wash off. So, what's the verdict? I don't know. I think it turned out pretty good. Thanks for watching guys. Talk to you later. Bye.